It's the first of the month and I'm about to organize my camera bag. R6 Mark II with an 85mm lens on it. R6 with a 35mm lens. 3 of these extra chargers if it's a wedding day. If it's not a wedding day, I'm just gonna have probably 5 or 6 charged batteries in my bag. Sewing kit. Yes, I've had to sew a wedding dress during photos before. I just did a wedding, so I had my on-camera flash. I always carry this for weddings, along with a spare charged battery. This is for receptions. Sometimes, depending on the lighting situation, I'll also carry off-camera flash, but I don't always take that with me. Hot shoe mount phone holder for behind-the-scenes footage, but quite honestly, I don't really like it because I have my camera going all over the place. I forget to turn my video off and I just get a mess. But I have this in there in case I want to use it. Safety pins in black and white for wedding day. Straight pins for pinning back on boutonnieres. Adapter. I have where I opened new memory cards and threw the wrappers back into my bag. So those need to go into the trash. ND filter here, which is crucial if you're shooting in full sun. Microfiber. Cleaning cloths for lenses, extra batteries, spare batteries for my triggers if I'm using off-camera flash, an Allen wrench. I can adjust my little attachments that snap into my holder, colored chapstick. This just in case I didn't want to use my holster and I want to use the carry strap. This is the adapter. My other ND filter. I've got some cash just in case somebody's running to get a snack and I want to get one too. Extra card. I have hot hands because you never know when it's going to be freezing here. My rain cover that I always keep in. These are just for raising items in a wedding flat lay. Have some hand lotion. Here's some more of those that are different sizes. And AirTag candy. These are so good. They're little organic hard candies and they taste super good. They're blood orange. A black pen. A lot of times the marriage license needs to be signed and nobody can find a pen. So I started keeping a black pen in my bag. Almonds just in case I need a snack. I do have extra bags that I carry with me depending on what type of shoot I'm doing, but this is the one that always goes with me.